Well, now we've got a bit of a screaming match because, yep, don't feed the animals. Well, well, he's crying, he is. I don't know what we got here. I'll have to look you all up in a bird book afterwards. Don't know what you all are. Oh, he's a big cry baby. Come on, cry baby. Cry baby. Ah, he's got it. Yeah, the big baby's got it now. Did you lose it? Did you lose it to another big bird? Oh dear, he's not very going to survive that one, is he? Come on. That's it. At last. There we go. Well, I want some chips myself, you know. I want some chips too. Oh, you nasty little thing. Oh yeah, that little grey seagull, that might be mummy. Oh, he's screaming to me, big baby. You're a big baby. Oh. Well, what do you think of all that big baby crying? Eh? Eh? There we go.